Hi everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. So I'm very excited because when I came home from work today, I had this Boxycharm box right here sitting right by the door. The August Boxycharm set. Our theme for the month is glamping. Let's get into it. First item we have is a concealer. It's a Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. So let's find that here. So as you can see, it comes in a cute little feminine box. I love this. This is cute. All right, so let me read the description off of the back of the card. Conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer makeup hybrid. Full loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. Okay, so this retails for $29. So let's check it out. Okay, right here it says it is infused with coconut water, alpine rose, which helps empower skin's health and resilience, and our favorite I can never say this, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. I don't know why that's so hard for me. Maybe I don't know. Maybe because of where I'm from, this Midwest accent. Okay, this is cute. All right, here we go. All right, multi-use sculpting concealer. Conceal contour. Okay, so I may have to go ahead and do a video. Okay, so it's not what I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a little pump, but it's not. All right, I like this. All right, so I'm gonna use this in my next video. Check it out. The color is, let me see. It's a little bright. Interesting. We'll still see. We'll use it, check it out and see. All right, so that's that. So like I said, it retails for $29, and I could see myself paying $29 for this. I could. So not bad. All right, so the next item that we have is the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. A highly, well, first let me find it. Okay. All right, so it comes in this defined blue boss box. I think all business when I see the package. Take it out the box and then read the comment card. Oh, okay. Wow. It opens up like a little book. Okay, I really like this. All right, has a little mirror over here as well. And then, oh wow, and a little inspirational quote. Looking good, darling. I like this. Okay, I like the shades. Has like a little shimmer right there. Some mattes, another shimmer. Let's go ahead and wait a minute. I may have to. Okay, so that's not bad. Let me I want to try this right here. That's pretty. It's like a bronzy pink pearl kind of, I don't know. It's pretty. I want to do this one right here. And then I'm going to read the description. Okay. All right, not bad. All right, so this is the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. The description reads, a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry, mirrored compact. Okay, so this retails for $28. Yeah, not bad. I would pay $28 for this. I would. I really would. The next thing that we have is Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. So let's find that. All right here. This reminds me of like a 007 something. If I'm not mistaken, there was a movie that kind of reminded me like that of this, and James Bond was like looking down with his hat. Or am I thinking of an album cover? I can't remember. But anyway, that's what this reminds me of. All right, so let's see what this says. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented, velvety finish with soft blur effect. Okay. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Okay, so this retails for $26. Let's take it out of the packaging here. Okay, it comes in like a little tube, like a little lip gloss tube. All right, they give you a nice amount too, which I like. It's not like the little drugstore brands where, you know, it's like a little, it's a nice size. I like that. $26. Let's see what color I have. Okay, hold on. Red again. Okay, so normally I am not a red type of person. If I do wear red, it's usually in the winter time. I love how red lipstick looks in the winter time against the snow with like a natural nude eye and like maybe just some like shimmer and like dark hair. I just think that is so pretty, you know. Okay, but that's me. But I mean, it's nice. It has like a nice texture. It does dry out pretty matte. So I could put like a gloss on top of it of another shade, of a darker shade, and maybe get that deeper red look. I don't like a bright red. If I do wear red, it's like usually a deeper red, like a berry, like my hair color. But I'll try this. I might be pleasantly surprised. I definitely try this. Now, would I spend $26 on it? Probably not. Now, if it was in my regular shade, I may consider it depending on the coverage I get and how it looks. But no, usually I don't spend this much on the lip. Even when I buy from the higher end brands, I usually don't spend that much unless it's just like the bomb. I have to have it. So we'll see how it looks. I may include this in my next makeup look with the concealer that I got from Too Faced. So that's that. Okay, so next we have Mudmasky Blue Light Protection Mask. This sounds interesting. Let's see what this is. Okay, right here we have this blue light protection mask. This sounds interesting. If you notice the cell phone, and it has like some little rays or beams coming from it, I'm really interested to see what this is about. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the description on the back of the card. Blocks high energy visible light, HEV light, from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. Okay. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen, which is myself. I work in the office, so I'm always on the computer. This is right up my alley. I'm always on the phone as well. Prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. So that's what I'm talking about. Prevents that premature skin aging. I like that. I'm 42 years old. So anything I can do to preserve my skin's look and youthfulness, I am going to. Okay. All right. So this retails for $54. Now, I take good care of my skin. I'm really into skincare. I really try to like make sure I hydrate my skin, clean off the surface with exfoliators. I'm really big on exfoliating and moisturizing. So this is interesting. I'm very anxious to try this. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know if it's worth the $54. It might be. I mean, it sounds like it. I've never heard of another product or cream that blocks HEV rays. I've never even heard of HEV rays until like this Boxycharm moment. So thank you, Boxycharm, for giving me something to research. Thank you. All right, so that's that. And last but definitely not least, Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eye primer. Let's see what this is about. I like eye primers because for me they just help the eyeshadows pop, especially if you're doing like bright, bold colors, or even like the darker ones. If you have like a navy, like a deep, rich navy blue, and you want it to just stand out and pop, you can use a primer. It'll make it just pop out there. Primers also help the makeup to the eyeshadow to stay longer. So let's see what this is about. It has a cute little packaging. You can see the little eyes. See that? All right. So, and then I'm gonna read the description. Okay. It looks like a little lip gloss. I guess you just, and just dab it on your eyes or whatever. Oh, by the way, the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today comes from the Divine Rose, the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 palette. The description card for this primer says, this cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. Okay, that's cool. So it doesn't have a tint. It says it dries quickly, and then you go ahead and just apply your shadow on top of it. And it's supposed to let it last all day. So we shall see. I'll try it in my next video. I'll let you guys know if it does indeed last all day. Now this retails for $20, which I would buy. Eyeshadow primers are worth the investment to me, especially if you wear a lot of eyeshadow. I'm an eyeshadow girl. I love experimenting with the different colors. I like having fun with it. So I definitely am into eyeshadows, and primers are so important to me because they help my colors to just pop, especially if I'm doing like a bold rainbow look. I like doing bright colors. Let's go ahead and total all of this up. We have the concealer plus the eyeshadow palette. We have the lip perfector, the mask, and then the eye primer for a total of $157. So all 5 of these total $157. So not bad. So that's it, everyone. That is the August Boxycharm kit. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've already received your box for the month, let me know what you guys received and if you liked it or not. And stay tuned for my next video where I will include some of the items from this month's box. All right, you guys have a good day. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.